Hi, I am Peter Lee. Today is 2025, October the 15th, 1:19 p.m. in the afternoon, Hong Kong time. Uh, so, uh, so I have a short sale the U.S. stock market on the 13th of October, which is 2 days ago, and bought SQQQ. So, but the SQQQ is the SQQQ is not going well. If you look at the S&P 500, I was expecting a candlestick, gap down candlestick, following this bearish candlestick, and then drop down here, and like this follow maybe then up and then come down more, something like that, and up to here or up to here. But it didn't go well. As a matter of fact, it kept up, and then with a it's a positive candlestick. I don't know how this green stick. There's two green stick here. This formation is not so bearish at all. If you look at the stocks, a lot of stocks are rising very well, so it doesn't feel right. So I just closed the position with a 2% profit. So I don't know whether or not it will go sideways or it will go a little bit down and then go up. I have no idea. But for me, I don't short the market. And as a matter of fact, I have bought some stocks. Uh, so just give you guys some trading idea that you guys may want to know. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.